Instagram is the #1 cause of female depression in the Western world. I'm 100% sure of it. Any girl who's 29, I know girls who are 29, 30 years old and they're still beautiful, but they'll scroll up and down and they're nearly in tears and on 22. Like literally, Instagram is that powerful for these women, and they live on it. And so women, they got a ticking time clock. But as a man, you haven't got to be handsome. You ain't got to be pretty. If you're a successful dude and your mind's right, you can be an ogre. And you're still going to be out there doing whatever you want to do and living your life. Depression is the ultimate motivation. Oh, so you're depressed. Okay, so you come along to me and you tell me you're depressed. I expect to see a huge list of what you're achieving per day. You're unhappy with your life and you're depressed. I don't expect you to be popping pills and sitting laying in bed. I expect you to give me a huge list of everything you're achieving per day. Depression's a fantastic motivation. You know, but people are told the opposite. No, you feel depressed, that's wrong. You should be happy anyway. Take the pills, stay home, take some time off. Complete garbage. You're depressed? Okay, get up, go for a run, lift more weights, make more money, get a second job, get more girls. Like, you can outrun depression. I said this to one guy who was coming to me.
That's a great quote right there.
You can outrun depression. You ain't got time to be sad if you're getting where you need to get. You ain't got time for that. You can outrun it. If you start working the jobs you need to do and you're training and you're seeing 3 or 4 different girls and you're trying to start your business on the side, you have no time to sit around moping. So outrun it. And before you know it, you'll wake up one day and you'll look at your life and go,